In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can clone an app on your iPhone so that you can run two versions with two different accounts. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up Safari on your iPhone and go to the website version of whatever app you'd like to use. For example, let's do something like Instagram.com. So go to Instagram.com and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and log in to your main account or your second account on that website by selecting login and then signing in just like so. From here, what you're going to want to do after this page does fully load, which it just did, go in and find the little share icon and select it and scroll down until you see the option for more and open that up. In this section, go ahead and select add to homepage, make it just say Instagram, and then select add just like so. As you can see, it's going to add a version of Instagram on there, and whenever you select it, it's going to take you directly to the web version of that. So boom, we are all good. And now as you can see, if I back out of this one and go to my other Instagram app, which is going to be over here, it's just going to have my main account signed in. But if you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. This is going to work for a bunch of different apps, so it's super awesome. But I can help you out further if you do have any questions. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.